it's your friendly neighborhood counterfeit squirrel here again. And we are out in between squalls. That's right, Irma's bearing down on us. I wanted to try and get one last video in before I lost all power. I got half a tank of gas in the bike, and we are going to see if we can find a gas station that has any gas right now. Because when I was out earlier today picking up a few last minute things, there was nothing anywhere. But I didn't check this gas station back here. So we're going to look at it, see if there's anything at the pumps. There's cars going in there. Oh, there's cars at the gas station. We're going to fill up all we can. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to take you on a tour of what this place looks like before the storm hits. And we'll see, get some after shots afterwards. Just to give you the whole aspect of what I'm seeing. I'll be right back. Alright, we now have a full tank of gas. So I will be ready for after the storm to ride around, because I don't know what's going to be open directly after the storm hits, because this is going to be pretty bad. In the meantime, I'll take you on a quick tour of this area. I can't get over to the beach side because they're about to close it down. So we will skip on that. But when it's open up, I'll get a ride over there and show you what happens over there. I'm hoping there's not going to be a lot of damage, but we are on the wrong side of the eye for this one. If you've never been involved in a hurricane, here's a little something you need to know. The northeast quadrant of the storm is where all the force is generated. So that's where all the tornadic activity is, and that is the side of the storm that I am on, being on the Space Coast. And now the storm has shifted a little more west, so we're not near the center of the eye, so it's not likely to be as strong. And since the storm is traveling up through the center of the state, it's predicted that it's going to be a Category 2 by the time it gets to me. It's still pretty strong. You're looking at 100-mile-per-hour winds, rain. Fortunately, this storm is fast-moving, so it's only going to be about 7 to 8 inches they're predicting, which shouldn't be too bad. The city management system around here has made sure all the sewage drains are cleared, and they got pumps going on generators already. Actually, they started earlier this week doing that. So now it's just getting ready for the wind and the rain. As you can see, there's some clear skies over that way, but all the rain is coming from the beach side over there right now. These aren't part of the storm. These are squalls that kind of develop because of the steering currents up in the air that are giving the direction of the storm. This is something that happens with every hurricane. It's something we're used to. So it's expected. This is the one time when there's a hurricane coming that you'll hear thunder and lightning, which is not normally part of a hurricane. Which I know you're like, wait, there's all that rain and there's no thunder and lightning? Yep, that's right. No thunder and lightning with a hurricane. Yeah, if you're hearing crashes and booms when there's a hurricane around, it's more than likely transformers that are blowing on the power lines, which normally right after that you lose power. I'm expecting to lose power probably sometime tomorrow, even though the storm's not supposed to hit until Sunday. That's what happened with Matthew. We lost power a day before the storm hit. And And I'm sure that's what's going to happen now, because we're going to start feeling heavy winds tomorrow. I have a few more things to do around the house. Pull down the shutters. And well, that's pretty much it. Just pull down the shutters. I got everything inside that's supposed to be inside. And then it's just a matter of waiting this out. Oh, it looks like I'm going to hit the rain, so I'm going to head back going real fast. I will get more footage after the storm, and probably during the storm around my house. I don't know when I'll be able to post that video. I'm going to post this up. Do a quick edit on this and post this up as soon as I get home. And we'll see what I get during the storm, and then after, and I'll post that all up as soon as I can. Because I'm sure power is going to be out for a week with everything that's going on with Harvey over in Texas. And then with everything that's going on here, you got South Florida that's going to be majorly affected. Oh, I was going to put up a clip of Ellie's helmet. She gave it to me, and there's a whole thing about that. I'll put that right here. All right, this is Ellie's helmet. You can see the damage right there when she hit the concrete. And down here, I don't know if you can see it really well. Right there is the paint off the truck. So you can see she took the shot straight to the face. And this is going to be hanging up above the workbench when I get this all taken care of. For right now, it sits up there. That's my helmet that I use for the GoPro. And that's my daily rider until I got this. This is going to be my daily rider. I haven't had a chance to wear it while riding, but I did try it on. And it fits great. It's everything I wanted out of an AGV helmet. Great fit. Snug, but not too tight. And it's got an internal visor. There you go. Gonna pop up. So. Alright, and that'll take the place of the HJC IS, which is just too tight. Fits too snug. And that's the helmet that I always put Melvin on anyways. So Melvin will go back on there on a full-time basis now, and I'll wear it from time to time. And we're back. So here's the plan. If you look right here, I have a GoPro mount. I want to put this little Hero 5 right there and get footage of the new helmet in action, because I have not been able to ride with it yet. And as soon as I can, I'll get that up for you to see, and I'll give a review of the helmet. So, everybody out there, stay safe. If you're in the affected area of Irma, definitely try and stay dry. And I'll see you on the other side of it. Peace in.